Okay, the day is January 29th, I think. And yeah, so it's a day of great uncertainty. It's a day when I don't know the path forward. So, what do? Do you sit at the coffee house for hours and ponder? Do you drive around aimlessly? Do you think about what sacrifices you can make? Do you stare at the wall? Do you wait for a miracle? No. You keep yourself busy. You do something productive, even if it's a task that has nothing to do with the bigger picture. It keeps your mind occupied. It keeps you focused. So keep your motorcycle playing. So that is what we are doing. We are gonna give the old girl a wash. So yeah, carpet has got quite dirty, as you can see. So yeah, when the path is unclear, when you don't know what to do, when uncertainty is in your future, wash your motorcycle. So observe. Always remember to, ladies and gentlemen, the few people who watch, it's very important that you don't wash your engine block when it's hot, this thing right here, because it will crack it. Think about it. Hot metal introduced to cold water. What do you think that does? Crack. Now I'm talking, it has to be really, really hot. Like you've been like riding full speed, 100 miles per hour for fucking hours. Pardon my language. I'm sorry. For freaking hours. So instead, just avoid it. Also, be sure that you avoid your chain because you don't want to get the grease on it. So all I'm using right now is just water. We're just using water. We're just giving it a coat, try to get the dust off of it, right? And yeah, that's about all we can do at the moment, presently. But what's important about it is it keeps you focused, right? It keeps you from thinking too much. And when you think too much, you make mistakes. So I need to be on top of my game. I need to think straight. I need to be patient. I need to think of the end game. What is the end game? You know, it's like a chess piece. It's my move. Me versus life. And life has always been a bad opponent, or it's actually been a hard opponent. Usually wins, but not this time. I'm not gonna let life win. I'm gonna win. As carpet, this is carpet, and also I have a name for my motorcycle in America, my CBR 600RR with the under seat exhaust. Her name is Lucky Money. So yeah, in honor of Vietnam, in honor of loving this country and the people here, I've named my greatest possession, my most treasured thing, my motorcycle that will smoke anything in the world, Lucky Money, because she's red. And Lucky Money usually comes in those red envelopes, right? So yeah, I finally got a name. She's named Carpet, like magic carpet from Aladdin. And I've told the story. But my motorcycle back home, my 600cc RR, my race bike is Lucky Money. But yeah, keep busy, keep focused. So we got pulling up behind us. This is the Goon Squad. They come in to collect the baseball bats. I don't got my side piece, so we got to go John Wick. I'm just playing. I'm just goofing around. But yeah, guys. Am I telling you this, or am I just telling myself this? Am I just trying to remind myself this? That it's not over till the fat lady sings, right? It's not over till the fat lady. It's not over till that old fat lady sings. She hasn't sang yet. I still got time. There's still a path. There's still options. I still have hope. I still have carpet here. I still could smoke pretty much anybody in a race, for whatever that's worth. I'm still the happiest I've ever been. I still love cleaning my motorcycle. I don't know, is it the Goons? No, not the Goons. We're good. For anybody wondering what a goon is, it's a joke in America. Goons are like that, you know, like henchmen who, you know, like in New York, say that you went to a bookkeeper and you booked on some horses and you didn't pay him. Well, he'd send the goons after you, right? And the goons would come and be like, "Where's our money? Where's our money? Where's our money?" You know, you see that in movies. Like everybody's seen this stuff in movies. But oh, also when you're wiping your exhaust here, check the heat of the exhaust. 2, you don't want to crack too much metal on it. You can see my paint job that I did a year ago has started to slip a little bit, but that's from my foot constantly grinding on it this is the brake right here. Yeah, let me give you a quick. Oh shit, did we break the phone? No, we didn't. Wow, we're still recording. So give me a quick tutorial. For most of the U-bends, you can learn how to ride motorcycles, but this pedal right here is your brake. Right here is a brake. The pedal over here, this pedal is your gears. Now to change your gears, you need to compress this down. Once this is pushed down, then you push 1 down to go the first gear, and then you go up for second, up for third, up for fourth, and then, you know, down, down, down. And you can also go into neutral, which is like a half click from first and second. So it's all about this and this to change your gears on a racing motorcycle. It's the same thing as like a stick shift on a car, except for you're using your foot and your left arm. Also, when you are hitting a curve, when you are twisting on a curve, so that means when you're laning, your foot placement's very important. So what you do is, say I'm getting ready to hit a curve and I want to turn this way, right? So I'm going to turn to my right side, the right side that I'm facing. I would place my foot, say I'm on it, on the side peg like this, so that my body is hanging from the side. So you're normally like this, right? But when you hit that curve, you put your weight to the side. That way your body length and it kind of will hold off to the side, and the momentum, the speed, the inertia of the bike will keep you and the bike from tipping. And what's going to keep you going is just this little, you know, few inches of rubber right here sticking to the ground. But yeah, your foot placement's very important when racing a bike. But let's get back to wiping her down. So anyways, we'll keep this a short video. I've done enough long videos. But moral of this video, title of this video is, when in doubt, when you are seeking for hope, when things seem dire, when you are scared, when you love something so much and you want something so bad that you would be willing to die for it, find the hope in here and in here. And remember, don't focus on what you might lose or what you don't have. Keep focusing on what you do have. And what I have right now in front of me is, you know, my second baby. You know, I got Lucky Money, my 600, you know, back home. And then I got Carpet right here. So I am focusing on her. I'm going to give her love, attention. It's going to keep my mind busy, occupied. I'm going to feel like I'm doing something productive. It's going to give me hope. It's going to let me remind me of all the fun times I've had on this thing. And yeah, we're going to keep the battle alive. It's not over. Vietnam's my home. I love this place. Vietnam is my home. Yeah, Vietnam's my home. We're going to figure it out. So keep the hope. Wash your motorcycle. Keep the hope, watch your motorcycle. That is the moral. Keep the hope. Always keep your motorcycle clean. And the path will reveal itself. Okay. Stay positive. And remember, you are the resistance. It's a Terminator joke. So, bye. Thank you.